machine automation, and digital engineering. The new manufacturing revolution is leveraging these next-generation technologies to create smart factories. Are you? To make things easier, many people break smart factories down into a series of smaller parts. Here are a few examples. The numbers show that most companies understand their importance, but as you can see, little has been implemented. And in general, the significance of Industry 4.0 is also well understood. But again, few have taken action. Why is that? The problem is, the issues are so complex and diverse that people don't know where to start. So how can it be made easier? On review, there appears to be a missing piece, and that is human knowledge, the source of creativity and ingenuity. Adding human knowledge to machine automation and digital engineering can add new value and a practical approach to implementing smart factories. Mitsubishi Electric calls this e-factory. E-factory is built on the concept of Kaizen, the driving force behind the growth of Japan's manufacturing sector. It's an innovative manufacturing approach that starts on the factory floor. E-factory begins with a thorough understanding of factory floor operations, utilizing what is already in place before it optimizes the manufacturing processes. Furthermore, the system can evolve along with the needs of the manufacturing value chain, keeping the organization relevant and constantly moving forward through incremental improvements. Mitsubishi Electric has 100 years worth of manufacturing know-how and experience. By combining this wealth of knowledge with machine automation and digital engineering, we can provide scalable solutions from simple machine or process improvements to complex manufacturing business challenges. The manufacturing revolution started with automation. Now, its digital transformation is allowing it to evolve even further. From factory operations to management, e-factory connects everything, provides total support, and dramatically improves productivity. Together, working with you, we'll help you resolve issues, leverage technology, and optimize your value chain. E-factory can help you be a step ahead of the times.